Good afternoon, 12:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date? Well, my goodness, 1/29/2015. What do we have before us? Amazon's going to report the quarterly results here, and it's 4 minutes to the closing bell. This is a 60-minute chart. They went parabolically up. I am going to put a short out on Amazon before the close right now, and I'm going to put that short out there at 328.50 on a spike. I'm also going to put a limit order out. Tommy, tell the rest of the guys. I'm going to put a limit order out here. It's going to be, so 300, so we're going to go $286 right here in the after-hour knee-jerk reaction on Amazon that's going to report the quarterly report. And just remember, between us, you, and God are here today looking at that price and those limit orders for the short way up there. We'll hit that thing at 328.50 and we'll go down to 286.50. And that's going to be the parameter range. We bought this, we sold it. You got to remember, everybody, the good news as of right now went from here. I'm going to tell you the price. It was $299 to $312. That means one thing, folks. A lot of the good news before that report in 3 minutes is priced into this equity on Amazon. So whatever they are going to say, they already have $13.47 range. The close was 303. They whacked it to 299, and then they pumped it to the glory of 312. So basically, what we're going to do is we got all of the ranges right here. This is a market maker app. This is not a public thing. We also understand what the on-balance volume is, and guess what? The more positive it is, this is a short on the pop. The good news is getting baked into the cake. So whatever good news at Amazon may or may not, and we're only 2 minutes away. You got to understand, my friends, how much of this gap, and this thing is going so fast right now that we can't even keep up with it. Watch. AA, I'm going to change it. I'm going to hit enter. Now I'm going to go back to AMZN to see if we can't get a better take. 312s are printing. And it's moving so fast that this is a high algorithmic, high frequency that is running the Amazon trade the way that it is. And it's not pulling the data because that high frequency algorithm that you see is running a lot faster than what we can keep up with. And we're going to be shorting Amazon on that upside pop. Got $8. Whatever good news and any bad news, they're going to come down here and they're going to go way down here. And our next order on that side is 286.50. I'm going to pause it now. We're 1 minute to the closing bell. Here it is. Amazon.com earnings. It is real. Here we go. It's live. He's at 321. Oh, look at that, baby. Look at them rip that stock. Remember, everybody, we got shorts out there at 328.6, and we are rocking. All right, cancel that. I want you to go 330.5. 325 is a high. It's here. 327. We canceled that one order. We're going out at 330.9. We're not going to get hit on the lower side. Look at that. Look at that. He said he hit it at 321. 324 back. Look at that, Rip City. This is after our earnings. 326.66. There it is. It's here. It's live. That's a 60-minute chart. There it is. 332. Look at that, baby rip. Look at that, baby rip. Okay, I'm going to have to check it up. 330.5. We hit it at 330.5. I'm coming out at 324. 324.7 now. All right, baby. We got hit on that. We got hit on that 330.50. Yes, we did. And it's live. We're out of that. We made $4 on that move. Now we're going to go back high. I'm going to put another short out. I'm going to go to 337.50. 337.50. We're at 332, 330. We already popped that short. We got a $4 move. That 330. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Look at that baby rip. You can see that in that 60-minute bar. 335. We didn't get hit up to 336.50. We made one good trade there, and we also popped that thing long. The minute that thing started to move right here, up above that, it was like 312. The low of that was 306, everybody. Right here. Let me pull this up for everybody. Okay, MMTs. Everybody in this world will really love to know how to do that. And that wick was right here on the bottom. We got to short at 330.50, man. And got out at 326. But look it. He hit that thing up there at 335. And I'm going to show my new MMTs, though, where those numbers were before. And we can go out here now, Zoe. And we're going to take a look. And I'm going to show that number here in a minute. What I want you to see, Zoe, is how earnings worked. I'm being told we got short again. I don't really like that number. It was three. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that baby coming down. It was 335. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. 60-minute wick. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the after hours. Look at that last one right there. Right there. Now, everybody, here's the deal. It's very exciting when you're in these trades, and you have to know what you're doing before the fact. You have to be a gunslinger. So you got your dual holster, and now you're in a dual match. You're going to pull out that 6-shooter, and guess what, everybody? I really enjoy what we do. I really, really do. In the earnings season, in the after hours, hey, it's everything, and this is part one. There's going to be another, there's going to be a conference call. We're printing back at 326, and we have done extremely well. We got hit on the way up, and we hit that one short from 330.50, and it went down to 324. Bam! And we're printing now 325, and that is called the knee-jerk reaction, and I'm going to get a lot more of the earnings. I just want everyone to know it's time for you to do what? It's time for you to get here. It's time for you to learn how to make this kind of money. And I'm going to put it on pause for a minute. Here we go, everybody. We do know that that big move is coming back, and they hit that volatility, just pulled it back to 321 and popped it like a New York jet. Oh, yeah, they did. So I just want people to understand what these names can do. I'm going to come off Amazon right now, and the upside is 340. We traded it accordingly, and I'm going to go ahead and put another short out there at 339.45, 339.45, and we'll do the earnings and go over them with our MMTs in a little bit.